Gorgeous two-story home in desirable Dune. Hiking trails and green space are just outside your back door, as is J.W. Girth Public School. This neighborhood is family-friendly and close to Conestoga College and the 401 at Homer Watson Boulevard. Welcome to 184 Forest Creek Drive. This two-story home is upgraded with open concept design and features this massive island in a chef's kitchen. Upstairs, a separate sitting room along with 4 bedrooms. The primary is large and features this fantastic spa-like ensuite. Each of the other bedrooms also includes direct bathroom access. The lower level is completely finished and could easily be converted into an in-law suite. This home is turnkey with over $150,000 in builder upgrades, a family-friendly neighborhood that checks all the boxes. To see this home in person, contact the Cody team at RE/MAX Twin City Realty.